Cheers and aloha, live leakers. Today we're going to be cooking some parrot eggs, and well, I think we should have some bacon with it. And I do my bacon a little different than other people. I take and cut it in half, and I cook the whole package at one time. One of the things I do is I cook it in a skillet with a cast iron skillet lid. Now, if you guys don't have one of these, you can get them on eBay. Prepare to pay a lot of money for them, but they are definitely worth it. Keeps the grease from spattering everywhere, which is fantastic. Bacon. So, I figured because parrot eggs just isn't enough for breakfast because they're so small, and because, well, you guys know me as Banjo Lips. Yeah, I got a watermelon coffee cup. I'm gonna make some buttermilk pancakes, and this is what you need: salt, baking soda, flour, an egg, a cup and a half of buttermilk. That's all the ingredients you need. I'll put the recipe in the description in case you guys want to try this. They're really awesome. You need some sugar if you want them to brown. So anyways, the recipe will be in the thing. There's one other thing I forgot: the oil. And because we're doing pancakes, it takes a tablespoon of oil. What I do is I make a depression with the spoon, so all I have to do is rinse these off, not get oil on them. If you're doing waffles, add an extra half tablespoon of oil, and you can guess at it. Yeah, it's just like a ketchup type squeeze bottle. So there's your tablespoon of oil. Look at that, no spoons to clean. Isn't that great? Just a quick rinse. Bacon. Teaser. Bacon, baby, bacon. Oh, it's getting kind of close to pulling that bacon out. So I just take some paper towels, fold it up, and just toss it on a watermelon plate. Damn, that's kind of warm. Oh yeah, that's hot. You guys never seen one like this. It's made by Cairo and some other manufacturers. They're about 50, 60 years old, and if you don't have one, it's the best syrup dispenser you'll ever find. I'd suggest you look on eBay. So, oops, maybe too much. parrot egg. We got it here next to a chicken egg for comparison. And I've never broken one of these open before, but ow, shit, that's hot. They're not all that big. And the other thing I noticed is they're shit. Well, they're a lot more durable than standard eggshell. So today we're going to be cooking these sunny side up because that seems to be the best way to do it. Damn, looks like we broke a yolk. Interesting. The whites are more translucent, and because we're going to do them sunny side up, there's salt and pepper right there in the skillet. Let's bring the plate to Muhammad. So, let's find out what these babies taste like. Tastes like an egg. I need a cameraman. Man, these things taste really good. So, first time ever I know of, parrot eggs for breakfast. Cheers. And alohas. And these don't have any strip on them, but Broke the mouth, bro. Broke the mouth. Cheers and aloha. That's what I like about this syrup dispenser. It doesn't drip. And if it does, it has an inner rim it catches it on. So, pretty awesome. Okay, bro. With real maple syrup in it. Cha-cha-cha. Oh, hell yeah. Coming porcelain coated too. Cheers and aloha. Bacon, yeah.